Well, this is the address. Says to take the elevator. Guess there has to be one around here somewhere. I can't believe I'm doing this. How desperate can you get? Hello? Anybody home? I saw an ad for models wanted. Is anyone here?
Ah, guten Tag. Yes, you'll be perfect. Follow me, my dear. Hello.
Pamela. And your name?
Ah, a lovely name. I am Hans, but Miss Pamela, names matter little here. No, you and I are about to make history. This will be the greatest photo shoot the free world has ever seen.
That's great. And that's only worth $40?
Miss Pamela, one must not put a price on the changing of a world.
Right, of course. Okay then, where do you want me?
Inside the closet lie the tools for the building of a new society.
My, what now?
The clothes for the photo shoot. Please, put them on and then meet me out. Soon, no one will remember my name as Frankenstein, and will soon know me as Hans Photostein. And hopefully forget about the criminal charges.
Hey, Hans?
Yes, my dear?
Which one of these dresses did you want me to wear?
Dress? No, my sidekick. No dress. The pillow. Put the pillow underneath your shirt.
Okay.
Oh, wonderful. Just wonderful. Please, my dear, make your way to the set. Just follow my instructions and we shall be famous. Now, make your way to the washer and pose for me. Look straight into the camera. Stare into it as you are staring straight into the eyes of your grade school bully who has just taken your last nougat bar, and tell him to go yodel his mother. Now go over to the couch and look at it with the remorse you would feel if you had created a monster made from corpses and given it life, inadvertently causing it to destroy our whole village and cause you to flee forever from your homeland. Yeah, do that. Yeah. Okay, now the moment of truth. Halt! Someone is at the door. Don't lose your energy. I shall return.
Who's there? Hans, is that you?